So good afternoon class 10 students. Let us solve some more questions on areas related to circles. First question is this one. There is a square, okay, and these are four semicircles taking this as diameter. This one, another is this one, touching each other like this. Third one, and this one. And you have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, this is 10. So what we can do is we can find 1 plus 2 separately, and then we can find 3 and 4, and then we can subtract from the area of the square. And also we can do one thing, that if we find one semicircle, area of one semicircle, another third and fourth, and if you add all four of them and subtract the area of square, you will also get the shaded region. So anyhow, let's find 1 and 2. Now draw them separately, right? Suppose this is, so what is the area of 3 and 4, which is 1 and 2 same. This is square minus 2 semicircles. So s into s, area of square, minus, so we can write 3 plus 4, 3 plus square minus semicircle. What is, and they will make a circle if you overturn them. This is pi r square, and r is equal to pi by 2, 5. This is 10, so this is 5, right? So this is 10 into 10 into, we have to take pi as 3.14, so 3.14 into 5 into 5. This is 3 plus 4. Similarly, 1 plus 2 is exactly same, so that is also 10 into 10, that is 100 minus 25 into 3.14. So if you add 1, 2, 3, 4 and subtract from the area of square, you will get the required region. So required region is area of square, that is s into s, minus this 100 plus 100, 200, minus 25, 25, 50 into 3.14. Okay. So this is 100 minus 200 plus 50 into 3.14. So if you multiply 53.14 by 50, you will get what? You will get 0. Okay. 5 4 is 20, and 2 7 15. Okay. 157. So this is 157 minus 100, that is 57 centimeter square. See, the same question can be tried in another way. That suppose you have this square, okay. Now if I subtract this, these two are gone, these two are left, and now I also subtract this one and this one, or if I add these four semicircles, 1, 2, right, and here 3 and 4, I will get the area of square, and this will be extra. So I can also find the shaded region by writing this 4 semicircle minus area of square. So 4 into pi r square by 2, 1 semicircle, minus s into s. So we can also write 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 5 minus 10 into 10. So that is only 157 minus 100 is 57 centimeter square, right? So very good question, you can solve it in two ways. Okay, another question. This is a right angle triangle. You can pause the video and try it by yourself. This is 6 units, this is 8 units, this is 10 units, or right angle triangle, you know, 10 units obviously. This is in circle, touching it all three sides. You have to find the area of the remaining region, shaded region. So you have to find area of triangle minus area of circle. Right, area of triangle is very simple, half base into height. How will you find the area of circle? So first, can you tell me what is the radius of this circle? What is the radius of this circle? And okay, find it. So give it a try. Okay. So I will tell you method. Make a square here, because see, this is equal to this radius and tangents are equal, so this is equal to this. So obviously this angle is 90, therefore we can say that this is 90, this is 90, this is a rectangle, but all sides are equal, so it's a square. So now if this is R, then this is also R and this is also R. So the remaining is 6 minus R and the remaining is 8 minus R. But this tangent is equal to this tangent. So this distance till here, whatever is distance A, B, C, P, Q, R. CP is equal to CR and this AP is equal to AR. So this is 8 minus R. But AC is equal to tan units. 8 minus R plus 6 minus R is equal to 10. So we get 14 minus 2R is equal to 10. So 2R is equal to 4. So R is equal to 2 centimeter. If R is equal to 2 centimeter, now you can easily find the area. 22 by 7 into 2 into 2. That is answer. Whatever 24 minus, suppose this is 88 upon 7. Right? You can subtract that. So 12 7 is 84, around 12 point something. So easy to calculate this way, but you need to find the radius by this method. Okay. Let us consider one more question. Perimeter of a square is equal to circumference of a circle. What is the ratio of their areas? So perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Okay. And this is equal to circumference of a circle 2 by r. What is area of a circle? Area of a square is side into side, and area of circle is pi r square. So we have to find a1 upon a2. So we have to find s into s upon pi r square. Okay. Now these two are equal, so you can write like this: 4s is equal to 2 pi r. So find the value of s from here. S is equal to 2 pi r upon 4, pi r upon 2. So here you write pi r upon 2, pi r upon 2 divided by pi r square. So I write pi r square in between, right? This r square and r square cancel, pi and pi cancel. We are getting what? Okay, whereas that C is equal to 4s is equal to 2 pi r. So area of this is pi r into pi r. So we are left with what? Pi upon 4, right? Pi upon 4. That's the ratio of square upon circle. Pi is 3.14 and circle is 4. So it is greater. Area of circle is greater. Area of circle is greater than area of square when their boundaries are same. We can write in 22 by 7 this one approximately. So this will be 4 and you can cancel this. You will be getting 11 upon 14. So this is 11 centimeter square approximately, then this is 14 centimeter square. If it is 11, then this is 14. That is their ratio. It could be 22, then this is 20, right? This will be the ratio. So it will be how many times? 2 times it is 22 and 2 times is 28. So these are some of the very good questions. We will keep solving some more questions in the next class.